Hello there, I'm your guide to the world of remote work. Today we are diving deep into the realm of work-from-home job companies. We are living in exciting times. The traditional 9-to-5 grind is gradually making way for flexible work hours and remote jobs. The rise of remote work has been nothing short of a revolution. It has broken down geographic barriers, empowering people to work from the comfort of their homes, from a cozy cafe, or even from a sun-kissed beach. The benefits of this shift are countless. Think about it. No more traffic jams, no more rushing to catch the morning train, and no more wearing formal attire just to sit in front of a computer. Working from home gives you the freedom to design your day, to balance your work and personal life in a way that suits you best. But let's face it, the world of remote work can be a labyrinth. It's full of opportunities, yes, but it's also riddled with scams, low-paying gigs, and companies that don't respect your time. So how do you navigate this maze? How do you find companies that are legitimate, reputable, and always hiring? That's where we come in. This video is your map to the realm of work-from-home job companies. We've done the research, we've sifted through the noise, and we've identified 17 companies that are always on the lookout for remote talent. These companies offer a wide variety of jobs, from customer service and data entry to writing and graphic design. They are known for their legitimacy, their commitment to their employees, and their worldwide accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie looking for your first gig, there's something here for everyone. The goal of this video is not just to provide you with a list of companies, but to empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your career. So if you're on the hunt for a work-from-home job, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we delve into the list, it's essential to understand the criteria we use to select these companies. We didn't just pick names out of a hat. We focused on 4 key aspects: legitimacy, reputation, job availability, and worldwide accessibility. First and foremost, we made sure each company on this list is legitimate. They are all registered, reputable businesses, so you can rest assured that these are no fly-by-night operations. Secondly, we looked at their reputation. We chose companies known for treating their employees well and offering competitive compensation. Then, we examined job availability. We selected companies that consistently have a wide range of positions available. Finally, we considered worldwide accessibility. To be inclusive, we chose companies that offer jobs to people all around the globe, regardless of their location. Armed with this knowledge, we can now explore the companies that made the cut. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first part of our list. First up, we have Appen. This Australian-based company is a major player in the field of data collection and annotation. They offer a wide range of remote jobs such as web search evaluators, transcribers, and linguists. The company has a global reach, so no matter where in the world you are, there's a chance for you to join the Appen team. The only requirement is a good command of English and access to a stable internet connection. To apply, simply visit their website and explore the current opportunities section. Next on our list is Lionbridge. This company is renowned for its language services and is always on the lookout for remote workers. Roles vary from internet assessors and testers to interpreters and translators. If you're a language enthusiast, this could be your shot. Lionbridge offers positions to individuals across the globe. To kickstart your journey with Lionbridge, visit their website, click on Join Our Team, and follow the application process. Our third company is VIP Kid. This online English platform is dedicated to teaching English to children in China. If you're passionate about education and have a bachelor's degree, you could be a fit. Don't worry if you're not a certified teacher. VIP Kid provides all the necessary training. Although the company is based in Beijing, it offers remote positions to individuals worldwide. To get started with VIP Kid, visit their website and click on Become a Teacher. Moving on, we have Working Solutions. This company specializes in providing businesses with home-based customer service and sales agents. If you have a knack for communication, this might be the perfect fit for you. Working Solutions hires individuals from around the globe. To apply, simply head over to their website, click on Join Our Team, and fill out the application form. Lastly, for this segment, we have Reverend. This company offers a variety of flexible, work-from-home jobs, such as transcriptionists, captioners, and translators. If you're a fast typist with a keen ear, Rev could be your ticket to remote work. The company hires from across the world. To get started with Rev, visit their website, click on Freelancers at the bottom of the page, and follow the steps to apply. These are just the first 5 companies, so stay tuned as we continue down the list. Continuing our exploration, let's check out the next set of companies. Starting us off for this round is Appen. This global company is well known for its offerings in the field of artificial intelligence and its data collection services. If you're skilled in linguistics or have a knack for data, Appen could be your ticket to a remote work opportunity. They hire worldwide and you can apply directly on their website. Next up, we have Belay. This company provides virtual assistants, bookkeeping, and web support services to clients. If you're a master organizer or a number-crunching whiz, Belay might have the perfect remote role for you. Note that they have a rigorous selection process, so come prepared. The application process is easy and it's all done on their website. Our third company is Concentrics. They're a customer engagement services company that hires people for remote customer service roles. If you have excellent communication skills and love helping others, you might find your niche here. They hire globally and have a straightforward online application process. Moving on, we have EF Education First. This international education company offers remote teaching positions in English language learning. If you're a certified teacher or have a passion for education, EF Education First could be a great match. They're hiring worldwide, and you can apply through their website. Next, we're looking at Kelly Services. This staffing agency offers a variety of work-from-home job opportunities in fields like marketing, science, education, and more. They have a reputation for being a reliable source of remote roles. They hire globally, and the application process is conducted online. Lastly, for this round, we have Reverend. This company offers remote work in transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. All you need is a good ear and fast typing skills. They accept applications from around the world, and you can apply directly on their website. That's 11 companies down, 6 more to go. Keep watching. We're down to the final stretch. Here are the last 6 companies on our list. First up, we have Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management platform. They offer a variety of remote positions from sales and service to software engineering. Salesforce is known for its inclusive culture and commitment to social impact, and they hire globally. To apply, visit their careers page and filter by remote in the location field. Next on our list is American Express. This financial services giant offers work-from-home positions in customer service, sales, and risk management, among others. They look for individuals who are customer-focused and have excellent communication skills. While their remote positions are primarily available in the United States, they do occasionally have international opportunities. Check out the American Express careers page for more information. Then we have the tech giant, IBM. They offer a multitude of remote positions in areas such as consulting, project management, and software development. IBM is a company that values innovation and diversity, and they hire worldwide. To find remote positions, go to their careers page and filter jobs by home-based in the location field. Coming up next is Shopify, the leading commerce platform for small and medium businesses. They offer remote positions in fields like customer support, engineering, and design. Shopify is a company that values empathy and integrity, and they hire globally. To get started, visit their careers page and select remote in the location field. The 15th company on our list is Dell, a multinational technology company. They offer a wide range of remote jobs in fields such as sales, marketing, and IT. Dell is a company that values innovation and collaboration, and they hire globally. To find remote jobs, visit their careers page and look for the remote label in the job listing. Finally, we have Cactus Communications, a global scientific communications company. They primarily offer remote positions in editing, writing, and translation. Cactus Communications is a company that values quality and diversity, and they hire globally. To find remote positions, go to their careers page and filter jobs by work from home in the location field. And there you have it, 17 companies that are always hiring for work from home jobs. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. We've journeyed through the expansive world of remote work, unearthing 17 companies that are always on the lookout for talent, just like you. No matter where in the world you are, these companies offer opportunities that transcend geographical boundaries, welcoming you into a global community of home-based professionals. We delved into the types of roles they offer, from customer service to content creation, and everything in between. We also highlighted the importance of aligning your unique skills and interests with the right opportunity, a crucial step towards finding job satisfaction from the comfort of your own home. The benefits of working from home are manifold, offering flexibility, reducing commute stress, and providing a unique work-life balance. Remember to do your research and apply for positions that align with your skills and interests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy job hunting!